Hi, we will continue that follow of variable. So here already we discussed that follow function provides the terminals to the variable which follows in the derivation process. Here for start symbol, yes, always follow of s will be the dollar because s follows dollar in the stack. Then if production a derives alpha beta, here sorry, not beta, b, alpha b. So b is the variable we are going to find the follow of b. For b follows nothing, so nothing is there, so b follows its LHS. So follow of b will be the follow of a, so that is given here. Then if production a derives alpha b c, here follow of b will be first of c, since it is the variable. If it is the terminal, then follow of b will be the terminal, but here it is the non-terminal, so follow of b will be the first of c. So if c is terminal, then follow of b will be the first of c. Otherwise, if c is epsilon then follow of will that epsilon has to be substituted here. So if c derives epsilon, epsilon has to be substituted here, then it will go away. So again we will get the production a derives alpha b. So since it is alpha b, then it will follow this previous step. So that is given here. So alpha b c, if c derives epsilon, then epsilon is substituted here, then it will become yes alpha b. So b is having nothing, so follow of b will be the follow of a. So that is the thing. And one more constraint here, follow of variable, any variable never contains the epsilon. So follow of variables will contain the terminals, but it will never contains the epsilon. Here we will see first and follow for the one example. The given grammar is e derives e plus t or t, t derives t star f or f, f derives f exponent g or g, g derives left parenthesis e right parenthesis or g derives id. So here we have to find out the first and follow for these variables. So now first of e, first of e is the root variable. Here one of the thing is, for finding the first, we if we start from the which is start if we start from the variable which is having the terminals, it will be then it will provide convenient method to find the first of remaining variables. So we will start from the terminal variable, a terminal which is belongs to the some variable. So here it is not having the terminal, here also it is not having the terminal alone, here also it is not having the terminal alone, but here g is having the terminal alone. So we will start from g to find the first. So first of g will be here, first of g is having two productions, one is left parenthesis e right parenthesis, and another one is id. So here left parenthesis one terminal, then here in this production id is another terminal. So this is first of g. Then we have to find the first of f. So here first of f is again first of f. So what we have to do, we have to find the first of g. So we can go for this one. So first of g is first here g is the non-terminal. So look at here, if it is non-terminal, then if which is non-terminal, if any LHS produces non-terminal, then we have to find the first of that non-terminal. So here f produces g, it is non-terminal, that is variable, so we have to find out the first of g. Already we know the first of g, so we can use that first of g. In this production, f is the first symbol, so first of f is non-terminal same f, so first of f. So first of f is this thing, so duplicate is not needed, so no need to mention that. Then t derives t star f. Here t is the first symbol, so but this is also t, so we cannot use this production now. So we will take this production f, t derives f. So t derives f in the sense, again we have to find out the this is variable, so we have to find out the first of f. Already we know the first of f, so we can take first of f. Then you can use this production now because t found, but first of t is again same first of t, so duplication is not needed. Then we can go with e derives e plus t, so but e we don't know, so we will leave this now. Then we will take this production t, so e derives t, so t is non-terminal, so we have to take first of t. So first of t is already we know, so first of t is same. So now we found the first of all variables. Then we have to find follow of all variables. In follow of all variables, as per the procedure, the follow of root variable is dollar. So follow of root variable is now dollar. We will start with dollar. Then we have to check wherever e is there, wherever e is there in the RHS of the all productions, then we have to find follow of that one. So here e is available, here e follows plus, e follows plus, so plus is terminal, so we can take terminal as one of the follow. Then we have to check where anywhere else e appears. Here that's it, here e not available appears, here also not appears, but here e is appearing. E follows closed parenthesis, so closed parenthesis is another one follow of e. So with this it's over. Then follow of t, so we have to check where is the t available. So t is available here, so after in this production, after t nothing is there. This is e plus t is one production, after t nothing is there. So as per the this rule, after c nothing is there, so if nothing is there, otherwise you can take this one alpha b. So b is the variable, after variable nothing is there, so follow of b will be the follow of a. As per this rule, here t is available at the end, so t follows e, so follow of t will be the follow of e, so follow of t will be the follow of e. Then t is appears in this production also t appears, so follow of t will be the follow of e, so same thing will be available. Then t appears here, so t follows star, so star is another one follow of t. Then that's it, t here not appears, here also not appears, that's it. So now follow of f, so whereas f appears in the right hand side, f appears here, so after f nothing is there. As per the second rule, follow of f will be follow of t, so follow of T is dollar plus close parenthesis star. Then this production, in this production again follow of T, so no need of duplication. Then in this production F is appearing here, so follow of F is exponent operator, so exponent operator. Then F is not appearing here. Next one is follow of G. Follow of G is here wherever G appears, so G appears in the this production, so follow of G is follow of F. So follow of G is follow of F, dollar plus closed parenthesis star exponent. Then follow here also G appears, again follow of F, so same thing. Then G not appearing here, that's it. So follow of F is also this one. Now we will see one more example. In this example, grammar is having S derives A, B, C, D production 1, A derives small b or epsilon, two productions are there here. Then B derives small c, capital C derives small d, capital D derives small e. So here we have to find out first and follow. So first of S, first of A, first of B, first of C, first of D. So we will start from terminal, we will start from variables which are having the terminals. So here D is having the only one, D is having only one terminal. So first of D is E. Then first of C is D. First of B is only one symbol, so C. First of A is, here two productions are there. In this production, first of A is B, then second production, first of A is epsilon. Then first of S, here first of S is A. So first of S is A, so A is the non-terminal. So since A is the non-terminal, we have to take this production. So if it is non-terminal, we have to find first of that non-terminal. So first of this non-terminal, what is the first of A? First of A is B comma epsilon. If you substitute the epsilon in the A will go away, then B will come. A will go away, B will come. So if B will come, S derives BCD will come. So if S derives BCD will comes, then what is the first of S? First of B. So what is the first of B? First of B is C. So this is the first of S. Next one, follow of S. So follow of S, as per procedure, always root variable having the follow of root variable will be the dollar. Then where is S appears in the right side? So nowhere appears. So this is follow of dollar. Then follow of A. So follow of A having B. So here this is non-terminal. So first of B. What is first of B? First of B is C. So first of B is C. Then follow of B. So follow of B is having C. So follow of B is here again capital C. So first of capital C. What is first of capital C? D. Then follow of C. So follow of C here, having the D. So first of D. What is first of D? First of D is E. Then follow of D. So follow of D here, look at here, after D nothing is there. Follow of D, after D nothing is there. So D follows its LHS yes. So follow of D is follow of yes. What is follow of yes? Dollar. So this is the follow of this given grammar. Thanks for watching.